What if I told you that fish don't actually exist? Yeah, you heard me right. Fish isn't a real biological group, according to a type of taxonomy called cladistics. There are three types of fish: the jawless fish, the cartilaginous fish, and the bony fish. Fish are the most diverse vertebrates with over 33,600 species. Compare that to only 4,000 mammal species and 10,000 bird species. About 500 million years ago, there was an explosion of life called the Cambrian explosion. Many of the major groups of animals came around during this time of rapid change. Back then, all of life was in one massive world ocean. Here's some early fishy ancestors. They don't have any jaws, just a sucking mouth and a tube-like body with a spinal cord. That all changed with the development of jaws. Fish breathe with gills supported by these hinged bony rods called gill arches. Eventually, the first of these arches turned into jawbones, which gave rise to all animals with jaws today.
Yellowfin fishes have little bone-filled stomachs supporting their fins, and in ancient times were common in swampy, oxygen-derived areas. They developed lungs and their stomachs evolved better bone structure to support them. That fish was the ancestor of all backbone land animals today.
Now let's talk about taxonomy, the science of organizing living things and studying how they're related. In cladistic taxonomy, taxonomists create groups of animals called clades. In order to make a clade, you first have to choose a common ancestor, which is any of these intersection points between two branches. These are called nodes. The second rule that taxonomists have to follow is that they have to include all descendants of that common ancestor. This is called a monophyletic clade. If you exclude any, even if they look totally different and weird from all the others, that's bad. In modern taxonomy, a group that excludes descendants can't be a natural group. When you make a group that excludes some members, that's called paraphyletic. That's what fish are. The exclusion of land animals is why fish can't be one big group. So why are these animals important? They play key roles in our ecosystem. Sharks, for example, can be top predators, like the great white, and filter feeders, like the whale shark, along with every available habitat and diet in between. Small fish help support ocean food chains.
Almost every habitat on Earth is colonized by these creatures, from the Amazon to the freezing Antarctic, where fish have antifreeze blood. Humans, too, benefit from fish. According to WWF, over 3 billion people rely on fish as a main protein source, and the fishing industry contributes to over $90 billion to the U.S. economy. So while they may not all belong in the same group, all are equally important in our world's oceans and to us humans.